Hey guys, welcome back to Best Tendency. If you're serious about capturing intense action, travel vlogs, or just the best POV camera footage possible, you know the name GoPro. But today, we're not just looking at a new model, we're diving into the GoPro HERO13 Black Ultra-Wide Edition. A beast designed to capture everything. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. What makes this different from the standard HERO13 Black? It's all in the glass. The ultra-wide lens mod is right here, pre-attached and ready to go. This isn't just a slight bump in field of view, it's a game changer. We're talking a massive 177 degrees field of view, which is 36% wider than the standard lens. The motto here is ultra-wide equals ultra-immersive. If you want a camera that truly drops your viewers deep into the action, whether you're vlogging, mountain biking, or filming for YouTube, this is the differentiator. This is why it's being called the best action camera right now. Let's get into the nitty-gritty specs that power this thing. First off, video quality is stellar. 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second, 5.3K 60 video, plus fantastic 4K 60 video. Photos, a crisp 27MP photo resolution. But what really separates a GoPro action camera from the rest? Stability. The unbreakable HyperSmooth stabilization is truly gimbal-like stabilization. Even when I had it attached to my motorcycle show footage, the video was steady and sharp. It even has HyperSmooth Auto Boost, which helps with horizon leveling in rough conditions. And for the creatives, you get 5 digital lens options: linear, wide, ultra-wide, ultra-superview, and ultra-hyperview. This kind of control gives you massive creative freedom in post-production. It's a high-resolution video powerhouse. The form factor is the classic, durable, rugged camera you expect. It's waterproof action camera down to 33-foot waterproof, 10 meters, making it great for travel, for fishing, or even light scuba diving. The whole package, the GoPro HERO13 Ultra-Wide Edition bundle, is well thought out. You get the camera, the ultra-wide lens mod, the standard lens cover, so you can swap back, an Enduro battery for extended battery life, and all the standard GoPro mount kit pieces. The ease of use and intuitive interface makes this a great choice, even if you're a beginner GoPro user. Plus, for social media creators, the easy vertical capture is huge. You can shoot 9:16 aspect ratio video right out of the box with the super wide FOV. Okay, now for the honest truth. You came for the GoPro HERO13 Black review, and that means looking at the good and the bad, based on real-world use and customer feedback. Pros: 1. The immersion. As a POV camera, nothing beats the 177 degrees field of view. It's the single most unique feature. 2. Professional stabilization. The gimbal-like stabilization is a huge upgrade, especially for motorcycle riders who deal with vibration. 3. High-quality video. The 5.3K video camera delivers crystal-clear images, validating why people feel it's a top action camera and worth the price. 4. Swappable lens system. The fact that it's compatible with the HB series lenses and includes the standard lens makes it versatile. Cons: 1. Overheating. Some users report that it can heat up within 5 minutes of recording, which is a concern for long-form shooting. This is a common issue with 5K video camera high-resolution recording. 2. Battery life mixed. While the Enduro is better, some people still report the battery losing charge in less than an hour during heavy use. You will need those extra batteries. 3. Cloud/app upload glitches. A few users noted difficulty uploading to the cloud compared to older models. So, is the GoPro HERO13 Black Ultra-Wide Edition worth the price? If your priority is best POV camera performance and truly immersive, wide-angle footage for sports and action, then yes, it is the top POV camera on the market right now. The super wide FOV and unbreakable HyperSmooth make this the ultimate choice for a new 5K video camera. However, if you're not filming high action and just need a simple compact camera, a cheaper alternative might work. But for those who demand the best action camera review footage, this is it. Want to check the current GoPro HERO13 Ultra-Wide Edition price? I've dropped a link in the description below on where to buy. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more action camera reviews, and let me know in the comments. Are you getting the ultra-wide or the standard GoPro 13? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.